Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam, question number 99, in Electronics Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, you'll find it on page 439. We're given 5 different antenna types and asked which one would we most likely find at a highway call station. A, an open dipole. Well, no, we wouldn't normally find that type of antenna there because we need a lot of gain from an antenna at a highway call station. Those antennas are pointed in a specific direction to relay the signals to a generally like a cell phone tower or something like that. So you'll expect it to be at microwave or ultra-high frequencies. An open dipole wouldn't provide enough gain. Choice B, a folded dipole, that won't work either. Not enough gain. C, a ZEP, same thing. Not enough gain. The open dipole, the folded dipole, and the ZEP, generally speaking, if they're operated where they're a half wavelength long, all exhibit the same amount of gain with respect to each other. That is to say, the radiation patterns and the gain are pretty much the same for all 3 of those. How about a ground-mounted vertical? Well, if you've ever seen a ground-mounted vertical for use at microwave or ultra-high frequencies, please contact me and send me a picture of it because I've never seen one. It would be very inefficient. It would be omnidirectional. It would not provide the required gain. It just wouldn't work well at all. But a corner reflector antenna you will sometimes find at a highway call station. And here is how a corner reflector looks. Basically, the driven element is, in fact, a dipole antenna, a half-wave dipole. But in order to get gain in a particular direction at microwave or ultra-high frequencies, a screen or even a solid metal sheet can be placed behind it like that, and it reflects the energy in a certain direction for transmission and also provides increased sensitivity for reception for signals coming in, contrary to this arrow. An antenna like this will provide directional characteristics. That is to say, most of the radiation and response will happen in this direction indicated by this arrow. Will also provide gain for transmitting and receiving. And now the feed line for an antenna like this can vary. An open wire line, as it appears to be shown here, is rarely used at ultra-high or microwave frequencies, but a coaxial cable might be used. You might have a balun, an unbalanced to balanced transformer at the feed point, and run a coaxial cable to the radio equipment. But the type of antenna among these choices that you would most likely find, in fact the only one that you can expect to find at a highway call station, is a corner reflector, and that is choice E.